Welcome SYBSC students. Today we are going to discuss about method of variation of parameters for second order linear differential equation. Consider a second order linear differential equation as d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. Suppose this is equation 1 where p, q and r are a function of x or constants. Assume that the complementary function of CF of 1 is given by y is equal to au plus bv. Suppose this is equation 2 where capital A and B are constant, uv are function of x. Since 2 is complementary function of 1, hence uv must be solution of auxiliary equation of 1, that is d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 3. We must have d square u by dx square plus p du by dx plus qu is equal to 0 and d square v by dx square plus p dv by dx plus qv is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 4. Assume that y is equal to a1u plus b1v. EB is the general solution of the given equation 1 where a1 b1 are functions of x which are to be so chosen that equation 1 shall be satisfied. Here the form of y is same of for the two equations 3 and 1, but the constant occurring in the former case are changed in the latter into function of independent variables. Hence this method is known as variation parameters. Now choose a1 b1 such that u dA1 by dx plus v dB1 by dx is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 6. Differentiate equation 5 with respect to x. dy by dx using u into v method a1 du by dx plus u as it is, derivative of a1 is dA1 by dx plus v dB1 by dx plus b1 dv by dx implies u dA1 by dx plus v dB1 by dx from equation 4 it becomes 0. Therefore dy by dx is equal to a1 du by dx plus b1 dv by dx using, suppose this is equation 7 using 6. Now differentiate equation 7 with respect to x. We get differentiate dy by dx, it becomes d square y by dx square is equal to, using u into v method, dA1 by dx du by dx as it is plus a1 as it is, derivative of du by dx is d square u by dx square plus, using u into v method, similarly here dB1 by dx dv by dx plus b1 d square v by dx square. Suppose this is equation 8. Using 5, 7, 8 in equation we have a1 d square, here print mistake, d square u by dx square plus dA1 by dx du by dx plus dB1 by dx dv by dx plus b1 d square v by dx square plus p in bracket a1 du by dx plus b1 dv by dx bracket complete plus q a1 u plus b1 v is equal to rc implies a1 d square u by, here print mistake, d square u by dx square plus p du by dx plus qu plus b1 d square v by dx square plus p dv by dx plus qv plus dA1 by dx into du by dx plus dB1 by dx dv by dx is equal to rc. This and this 0, therefore a into 0 plus b into 0 plus dA1 by dx du by dx plus dB1 by dx dv by dx is equal to r. Implies dA1 by dx du by dx plus dB1 by dx dv by dx is equal to r. Solving 6 and 9 for dA1 by dx and dB1 by dx, we have dA1 by dx is equal to minus VR u dV by dx minus v du by dx, and dB1 by dx is equal to ur u dV by dx minus v du by dx. Since W is the Wronskian of u and v, determinant of uv u dash v into v dash is equal to u determinant uv, therefore u dash that is du by dx, v dash that is dv by dx. W is equal to u dv by dx minus v du by dx. Suppose this is equation 10. 11. Using equation 10, 11 in equation 10 we have dA1 by dx is equal to minus VR upon W, dB1 by dx is equal to UR upon W. Suppose this is equation 12. Integration in equation 12 we get A1 is equal to derivative and antiderivative cross to each other. A1 is equal to integration minus VR upon W into dx plus C1. B1 is equal to integration VR upon W dx plus C2. Let integration minus VR upon W dx is equal to fx, and integration UR upon W dx is equal to gx. Therefore, A1 is equal to fx plus C1, B1 is equal to gu plus C2. Putting the here the print mistake, here the gx plus gx. B1 is equal to gx plus C2. Putting these values of A1, B1 in equation 5, we get y is equal to in bracket fx plus C1u plus in bracket gx plus C2 into v, implies y is equal to C1u plus C2v plus ufx plus vgx, which is a general solution of 1 where C1 and C2 are arbitrary constants. Some examples. Example, using method of variation of parameters, solve d square y by dx square plus a square y is equal to cos ax. Given differential equation is d square y by dx square plus a square y is equal to cos ax. Suppose this is equation 1. And auxiliary equation of this equation is d square y by dx square plus a square y is equal to 0. We know that d dx is capital D, that implies d square plus a square in bracket d square plus a square bracket complete y is equal to 0, implies d square plus a square is equal to 0, implies d is equal to plus or minus ai is equal to 0 plus or minus ai. We know that alpha plus or minus beta, alpha plus or minus I beta. Therefore, here the value of alpha is 0, the value of beta is a. Solution of the equation 2 is y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Suppose this is equation 3, where a, b are function of x, so chosen that the given equation will be satisfied. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus a derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of ax is a, plus b derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of x is a, plus cos x as it is, derivative of a is dA by dx, plus sin x as it is, derivative of b is dB by dx. And here choose a and capital B such that dA by dx cos x plus dB by dx sin x is equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 6. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus a sin x, this and this become 0, plus ba cos x. Suppose this is equation 5. Therefore, differentiate this again with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx become d square y by dx square, minus a derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of x is a into a is a square here, plus b is constant, derivative of cos x is minus, here the minus sign. I am sorry. Here the minus sign. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x and derivative of x is a into a square, minus dA by dx a sin ax as it is, a cos ax as it is, derivative of b is dB by dx. Therefore, d square y by dx square is equal to minus a square is common. Here the negative sign. Minus a square is common, in bracket x, a cos ax plus b sin x, minus a dA by dx sin x plus a dB by dx cos x, implies d square y by dx square minus a square y minus a dA by dx sin x plus a dB by dx cos x, implies d square y by dx square plus a square y is equal to minus a dA by dx sin x plus a dB by dx cos x, implies d square y by dx square plus a square y is equal to cos x is equal to minus a dA by dx sin x plus a dB by dx cos x. 6. Solving equation 4 and 6, we get dA by dx is equal to minus 1 upon a and dB by dx is equal to 1 upon a cot x. Integrating this, we have capital A is equal to integration 1 upon a dx, b is equal to 1 upon a cot x dx. A is equal to minus x upon a minus c1 and b is equal to 1 upon a into 1 upon a log of sin x plus c2. Putting values of a and b in equation 3, we get the general solution of the given equation. Y is equal to minus x upon a cos x plus c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus log of sin x upon a square sin x, implies y is equal to c1x plus c2x minus x upon a cos x plus 1 upon a square sin x log of sin x. Next example, solve by the method of variation parameters. Y2 plus 4y is equal to 4 tan 2x. Given equation solution is y2 plus 4y plus 4 tan 2x. y2 means d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to 4 tan 2x. Auxiliary equation of this, d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to 0. d dx is capital D. Therefore, in bracket d square plus 4y is equal to 0. Implies d square plus 4 is equal to 0. Implies d minus 2y into d plus 2y is equal to 0. Implies d is equal to plus or minus 2y. Solution of the equation 2 is y is equal to a cos kx, b sin 2x. Suppose this is equation 3 where a, b are the function of x. So chosen that given equation will be satisfied. Therefore, dy by dx, differentiate this with respect to x. A constant, a using u into v method. Derivative of cos 2x is minus sin 2x and derivative of 2x is 2 plus b, derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x and derivative of 2x is 2, therefore 2b cos 2x plus cos 2x is as it is, derivative of a is dA by dx cos 2x plus sin 2x is as it is here, derivative of b is dB by dx. Choose capital A and B such that dA by dx plus cos 2x plus dB by dx sin 2x is equal to 0. Such this is equation 6. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 2a sin 2x plus 2b sin cos 2x. Therefore, differentiate this with respect to x again. D square y by dx square is equal to this and this becomes 0. Therefore, we get minus twice a sin 2x plus 2 cos 2x. D square y by dx square is derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x and derivative of 2x is 2. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 4a cos 2x. Derivative of cos 2x is minus sin 2x and derivative of 2x is 2. Therefore, 2 is 4 minus 4b sin 2x. minus 2 into sin 2x as it is, derivative of a is dA by dx, plus 2b 2 cos 2x as it is, derivative of b is db by dx. Therefore d square y by dx square is equal to minus 4 is common, a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Here the print mistake. Minus 2 dA by dx sin 2x plus 2 dB by dx cos 2x. D square y by dx square is equal to minus 4. This is given. Here y is equal to a cos 2x, b sin 2x. Therefore a cos 2x, b sin 2x is equal to y. Minus 4y minus twice a dA by dx sin 2x plus 2 dB by dx cos 2x. D square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to minus 2 dA by dx. We put this on left hand side. Minus 2 dA by dx sin 2x plus 2 dB by dx cos 2x. 4 d square y by dx square plus 4y is 4 tan 2x is equal to minus 2 dA by dx sin 2x plus 2 dB by dx cos 2x. Suppose this is equation 5. Solving equation 4 and 5. We get dA by dx is equal to 2 sin square 2x upon cos 2x. dB by dx is equal to 2 sin 2x. Integrating this, we get a is equal to integration minus derivative antiderivative cross to each other. Therefore here a is equal to integration of this minus sin square 2x upon cos 2x dx plus c1, and b is equal to integration 2 sin 2x dx plus c2. A is equal to minus 2 is constant, take outside the integration. 1 minus sin square 2x is 1 minus cos square 2x upon 2x dx plus c1, and b is equal to integration of sin to b minus 2 is constant, integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x upon 2 plus c2. Therefore 2 get cancel, minus cos 2x plus c2 implies a is equal to minus 2 integration sec 2x 1 upon cos 2x is sec 2x, and cos square 2x upon cos 2x is cos 2x dx plus c1. b is equal to minus cos 2x plus c2. Therefore a is equal to minus 2 by 2 log of sec 2x tan 2x plus sin 2x, integration of this directly, c1 so 2 sin 2x plus c1, and b is equal to minus cos 2x plus c2 implies a is equal to log of sec 2x tan 2x sin 2x plus c1. Putting these values of a and b in equation 3, we get y is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x minus in bracket log of sec 2x plus tan 2x cos 2x, which is the required general solution. Okay, we stop here.